Hi guys, here 12 divided by 3 is 4 square minus 5 times 2 plus 6. Here 4 square is 16 minus 5 times 2 plus 6. Here 16 minus 5 is 11 times 2 plus 6. Here 11 times 2 is 22 plus 6. Here 22 plus 6 is 28 is the wrong answer. Here, as per this order of operation, this 28 is the wrong answer. Here, we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also, these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now, we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. This order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. So here 12 divided by 3 is 4 square minus 5 times 2 plus 6. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here, that is 4 to the power of 2. We have to do this 4 to the power of 2 before this operation. Here 4 square is 16 minus 5 times 2 plus 6. Here we have subtraction, multiplication and addition. Here multiplication and divisions are higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 16 minus 5 times 2 is 10 plus 6. Here we have subtraction and addition. Here addition and subtractions are both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 16 minus 10 is 6 plus this 6. Here 6 plus 6 is 12 is the correct answer.